Hello students, I'll show you how to rearrange the exponential equation. This is a question from NCEA Level 1. Okay, then the question given to us is 3 raised to the power 2x plus 3 into 9 raised to the power x. This is equals to 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3y. And we need to find an expression for y in terms of x. So what we can do first of all is, first, we can write this down as 3 raised to the power 2x plus 3 as it is. Now, this 9 can be written as a power of 3, that is 3 square, okay, to the power x. And this is equals to 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3y. Now, using the law of exponent, which is like 3 raised to the power 2x plus 3 will as it is into when there are powers of power. So 3 raised to the power 2 into x means 3 raised to the power 2x. And this is equals to 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3y. Here we are using the power of law, that is a raised to the power m whole power n. This is equals to a raised to the power m into n. Okay. Now, when we are having the bases same, so again, we are using the law of exponent, that is, when the bases are same and they are in multiplication, then we add their powers. So 3 raised to the power 2x plus 3 plus this 2x. And this is equals to 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3y. Now, while we are having equal bases against both the sides of equals to, then we can equate their powers. So that means 2x plus 3 plus 2x is equals to 4 minus 3y. So we need to find an expression of y in terms of x over here. That means 3y is equals to 4 minus 3 and minus 2x minus 2x. Transposing both all the terms, 4 minus 3y is transposed to the left-hand side and all the left-hand side terms are transposed to the right-hand side. So we are having 3y is equals to 1 minus 4x. Or we can have like y is equals to 1 minus 4x upon 3. So this is our final answer. Thank you.